Hey everyone, my name's Grant. Here's how we were able to preserve and add an additional 3 to 5 years to Tony's roof. We start off by always mounting our OSHA approved anchor. We want to be safe when we're working on these. We don't want anyone falling off, of course. So we always use a low pressure spray. No brushes, no brooms, things like that are going to be too abrasive. So we'll use that spray. It's about 75 to 80 psi. This is a low pressure spray. We'll knock off about 95% of the big clumpy moss that's up there. And then we'll take all that debris with us. We'll clean up the grounds, and we will jet the gutters and the downspouts. We want to make sure everything's flowing properly before we leave. And then the important part is then killing that moss and then preventing it for the future. And so what we do for that is we use chlorine. We add a soap to that and water. We mix all of that up into an air diaphragm pump, and we'll spray that on every inch of the entire roof. And then the cool part about our treatments is they come with a 3-year guarantee. If this is something you're looking to have done, visit our website, GeringSoftwash.com.